Hey everyone! Are you ready to crack some skulls and witness the epic clash between gods and mortals? Buckle up, because today we are diving deep into the world of Zack Snyder's highly anticipated animated series, Twilight of the Gods. Alright, settle down warriors. We know you have been eagerly waiting for news about Twilight of the Gods, and the wait is finally over. Mark your calendars because Season 1 officially premieres on Netflix on Thursday, 19 September 2024. Whoa, did you see that? That epic fight scene? The breathtaking landscapes? Snyder's signature slow-motion shots? Yeah, it's safe to say we're in for a visually stunning experience. But the story is what truly promises to grip us. The series centers around Leif, a mortal warrior, and Sigrid, a fierce shield maiden. Their love story blossoms amidst the harsh realities of Norse life, but it all takes a dark turn when Thor, the mighty god of thunder, unleashes a brutal attack on their wedding night. Filled with rage and grief, Leif and Sigrid embark on a vengeance quest, gathering allies and facing unimaginable challenges along the way. Now, some of you might be wondering, is this a straight-up revenge story? Well, from what we know so far, it appears to be much more complex. The series delves into themes of love, loss, destiny, and the clash between mortals and gods. We can also expect plenty of Norse mythology woven into the narrative, featuring characters like Odin, Loki, and the Valkyries. As mentioned earlier, Twilight of the Gods is a Netflix exclusive, so you'll need a subscription to catch all the epic action. But trust me, this one is worth adding to your watch list. Look, I'm a huge Norse mythology buff, and let me tell you, Twilight of the Gods has all the ingredients for an epic saga. From Snyder's visionary direction to the epic battles and the emotional core of the story, this series has the potential to be a real game-changer in the animation world. Whether you're a die-hard Norse mythology fan or enjoy epic fantasy stories with stunning visuals, Twilight of the Gods is a must-watch. It's got action, adventure, romance, and a lot of drama. Plus, with Zack Snyder at the helm, you know you're in for a truly unforgettable experience. So there you have it, folks. Twilight of the Gods arrives on Netflix on 19 September. What are you most excited to see in the series? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay legendary.